It is the first week of April. In Japan, this is when everything begins. I am on the train. It is a weekday morning. The car is quiet, but it is full. Something feels different today. I look around and I understand why. The carriage is full of new suits, dark jackets, white shirts, neat collars. The young men's hair is perfect. The young women's hair is perfect. Everyone looks like they practiced. They carry new bags, new briefcases. Everything is clean and sharp. One young man catches my eye. He is checking his briefcase again, opening it, closing it, checking. Maybe he is not sure if everything is inside. A pen, a notebook, his company ID. He wants to be ready. I smile a little. I know that feeling. The feeling of wanting to start right. In Japan, everyone begins together. The same week, the same suits, the same first day. It is a kind of promise. In Hawaii, where I am from, it is not like this. People start jobs in every month. There is no shared beginning. But here, the whole country starts at once. And there is something beautiful about that. The young man closes his briefcase one more time. He looks straight ahead. He is ready now, or he has decided to be. The train slows down. A new station. Some of them stand up. A new chapter is beginning. I watch them walk out onto the platform, back straight, steps careful. I wish them well.